Welcome to my tutorial videos. In today we are going to learn how to use the find and replace function in Excel. I know it might be a very tedious task if you have an input in a cell that you want to replace, and for you to go through it manually to start replacing it each and every time you say it is time consuming and is very stressful. And trust me, you won't see all. There are some you would replace, you would see, and there's some you will omit, you won't even see. So it will give you a mismatched result. Okay, to actually successfully find and replace a particular input that is no longer needed or that has changed with another input that is current, you have to use the find and replace option to make it very easy, very seamless. Okay, so right now this is a spreadsheet for sales spreadsheet of an office in different region. Okay, this office have several region. It has the east region, central region, west region, east, west, and central. But right now, the east region, okay, now right now the central region has been changed. We don't have central region again. They've closed down the central region branch and they've opened up a new region in the north of the country. Okay, so right now instead of east, central, west, we have east, north, west. So instead of me going, assuming this is just a spreadsheet of 15 rows, assuming you have a spreadsheet of like 400 rows or 500 rows, instead of changing each input of central to north manually, which is time consuming, what I need to do is to go to the home tab. Once I go to the home tab, I will check at the farthest left. That's the last icon there, which is find and select. Okay, if I click on the drop down button. Let's say I just want to find, but I don't want to replace. I just want to find to know, okay, how many region is central region. Okay, what I need to do is I'll click on find. They will now tell you find what, so what do you want to find? I want to find central. I'll click on central and I'll click on find all. Please be very mindful. If you click on find next, it shows you like the next input that has central. If you click on find next, it shows you the next input that have central. But if I click on find all, it brings out all the inputs that have central on them. As you can see, it brings out all the inputs that have central on them. As you scroll down here, you can actually count it. See them here. You have it at row C3, C4, C5, C8. Okay, you can actually count the inputs. Have you seen the 6 cells from this number here? You know, okay, 6 inputs have a sales region in the central zone. Okay, but let's say I just don't want to find. I want to find and replace instantly. What do I need to do? I'll come here, find and replace. I will not click on find now. I'm going to click on replace. Once I click on replace, the same icon has been shown. Okay, the same icon has been shown. So I'm going to, don't worry, I've done it before as a trial, so that's why I have the figures already typed here. So find what do you want to find? I'll click on, I want to find all region, all central region, and replace with, what do you want to replace it with? I want to replace central region with north region because we don't have any north region again. We don't have any central region again. Okay, let me be case sensitive now. We don't have any central region, we have north region, so I want to replace central with north. So I'm going to replace all. I'm not just going to replace one. If you replace one, it's just going to replace all of the first one and leave the rest. So please be very mindful. Click on replace all. Okay, well done. We have made 6 replacements. Okay, so let me exit here. If I close here, have you seen it? I don't have central again, so all the central has been changed to north region. Okay, so this is when we have an input that you've been using before that is no longer existing or that has been changed to a new input. Instead of going manually through them, changing it one after the other, just use find and replace option. Easy peasy. That'll be all for now, guys. Bye.